For this lesson, we will be explaining written workplace instructions so that you can say each step in your own words. Now let's assume Loretta cleans the treatment room of a clinic in Lukban. On the wall is a printed procedure with 5 numbered steps. Reading the words is one thing. Doing them right is the job. That is why, by the end of this video, you can read any written work instruction and say each step in your own words. Now let's use a test that works on any instruction. Can you say it in your own words? Read one step, then say it in your own words. If you can say it plainly, good, you understand it. If you cannot, read the step again, this time slowly. Now let's assume we are cleaning an examination bed, and these are the steps. 1. Put on disposable gloves. 2. Wipe the bed with warm soapy water. In order for Loretta to remember this step, she tries to say it in her own words. Clean off the dirt with soap first. 3. Spray the bed with disinfectant. Then 4. Keep the surface wet for 3 minutes. And again, in order for Loretta to remember this, she tries to say it in her own words. Spray, then let it sit wet for 3 full minutes. Then step 5, wipe the bed dry with a clean cloth. Now, if you were to say this in your own words, to remember it, how would you say it? You would probably say something like, dry the bed with a cloth that is clean. Now, the order. Remember from the previous steps that this should be the order. 1. Gloves. 2. Soap. 3. Spray. 4. Wait. Then 5. Dry. Now, why does soap come first before the spray in steps 2 and 3? It's because disinfectant kills germs on a clean surface, not on the dirty one. If we try to swap these steps, the cleaning procedure becomes wrong. That's why, once more, we say the correct order out loud. Gloves, soap, spray, wait, then dry. Now here is the trap. Reading fast and missing a small word. Missing one is rusty reading, not entirely failure. The fix is a slower second read. Words like only, except, before, after, and at least change the whole step. Remember step 4 from previous procedure? It says wait for 3 minutes, which means 3 full minutes, not a spray and a quick wipe. Now your turn, with new words. A sari-sari store's closing checklist. One line says, turn off all the lights except the light above the door. Which light stays on? The light above the door. The small word except keeps it on. Now a recap of the words that we have learned for this video. A procedure is a set of steps done in order. A checklist is a task list you tick one by one. Small words like only and at least carry the rule. You learn in this video to say each step in your own words, keep the steps in order, and watch the small words. That is how the words on the wall become a job done right.